Welcome to the Internet of Things Masterclass. Welcome to the Internet of Things Masterclass, Day 1. Introduction to Embedded System and IoT. So generally, once when we are going to start regarding towards this IoT means, here we have to know what are all the requirements for IoT. So basically, we will be just knowing in this particular session what is IoT, where is IoT, and how to deploy that IoT. So once whenever we are integrating towards the IoT, it is a mode of communication from one part of device to the other. Now inside this, we have to know what is an embedded system, because the device communication, it is a mode of IoT, but whatever the device we are creating for it, it's completely known as the embedded. So therefore, embedded is known as combination of hardware plus software. So whatever the coding part, that is meant as the software, and finally we can conclude it as an embedded system. So inside this combination will be able to automate any kinds of devices. Now from this particular kind of automation, we want to make some sort of communication which can be able to access in the way of global. So from anywhere in the world, we will be able to monitor or we will be able to control. So that particular part, here we can say it as IoT. Generally, inside this embedded system, we have many types of integrations. So those integrations are nothing but serial communication. Inside the serial communication, we have many modules like Bluetooth module, Zigbee module, LoRa module, ESP Wi-Fi module, and at the same time we can also use RF module. So this different modules, everything comes under the wireless section. So among that wireless section, Internet of Things is the only part which we will be able to monitor, or at the same time we can control from a distant region. So distant region means from any place. For example, if I am in Bangalore and my product is in Chennai, I will be able to monitor from Bangalore itself. The only requirement is the complete system should be entangled with that particular Wi-Fi module. So both my monitoring system as well as the product. So once whenever both the systems are connected towards the internet, connected towards some of the API clouds, from there we will be able to monitor or send the data, receive the data. All the kinds of applications can be done. Top industries which use IoT: Signsoft, iTechArt, Oxagle, Indium Software, Softech, Style Lab IoT Software Company, HQ Software Industrial IoT Company, IBM, PTC, Cisco, ARM IoT Security Company, Huawei, GE Digital, Bosch IoT Sensor Company, SAP, Siemens IoT Analytics Company. What are the applications of IoT? So once when we are going for this application section, here these are the common applications. So inside this common applications, most of us has been a part of this particular consuming products. For example, we can go for the smart homes. So inside that particular smart home, what are all the requirements? Like an Alexa or Google Assistant will be there, and we will be connecting it to the entire Wi-Fi. So from that particular Wi-Fi, once when we are integrating towards the other devices through the cloud. So what are those devices? Maybe the TV, or maybe the fridge, AC, washing machine, or the light, or the fan. So these are the home appliances we will be able to integrate towards the cloud. Then after that, if we just provide a voice command like Alexa, turn on the light, or Google, just turn on the light or turn on the fan. So like that, if we just provide the commands, means they will be able to easily integrate and it automatically works. So inside this, with the help of the IoT, the AI also it is being applied over there. So that comes under the smart homes. And other than the smart home, in case if you are just reaching from your office towards a home, then once when you are coming down from your office, it is about to reach within 10-20 minutes. Then you will be just turning on your water heater to the mobile itself. And once you reach, the water is ready, so everyone can take the bath. And for that, if you want to just turn on the light, once if you are just getting into the home, I am home, that is one sort of the command. So from that, all the lights will be turned on. Then I'm out of the home. So that is another command, means everything gets turned off. So this kind of section only we can say for smart home. Then smart city. The one of the best example for smart city, it is our Google Map. So Google Map, it completely works only with the help of internet. But within that map, what and all we will be able to monitor, in which area it is highly rush, in which area it is medium rush, and in which area it is low rush. So this rush, it is nothing but commonly said as the traffic. So the bunch of traffics, especially in major cities like Mumbai, Chennai, Bangalore. And Bangalore is one of the famous city for the traffic. So with that, if we just keep the destination, it will also calculate the estimated time of approach. So when we will be arriving our destination, that particular area also will be there. So from that particular kind of integrations, here we will be able to apply this IoT towards the map also. So from that particular map, we will be able to know this and all will be the particular data. What and all we will be just notifying once whenever we are in use. And one of the additional feature, it is nothing but here everything we will be able to measure the speed also, like in which speed we are moving on if you are going inside a vehicle. So that is also one of the additional feature. So once whenever I am saying the smart home and the smart city, here the major role it comes with the Internet of Things. So inside that Internet of Things, AI also has an applicability, like all the data are stored inside the cloud and we are having a minute device without storage. So once when we are interacting with them, all the data are collecting with the help of the cloud only. So there also there is a scope for the IoT. Then comes with the self-driving cars. So self-driving cars or autonomous cars, whatever we go for that, if we go for the Indian oriented vehicles, means like Hyundai, MG, or if we go for the Royal Enfield bike, so these complete automobiles work under the IoT. For example, Hyundai has an IoT option to control our vehicle just to turn on or to unlock from our mobile itself. And at the same time, we can also locate where our car is. For that, we have to integrate with the Hyundai's Blue Link Cloud. Then if you go for the Royal Enfield, if you are just giving a bike for a service, with the help of the app, we will be able to know whether the service has been completed or not. So that is a timeline being. So similarly, if we go for the Honda, that is another one car. So with the help of Alexa, we will be able to integrate and we will be able to control the car. So this kind of functions only the automobiles or the self-driving cars or autonomous vehicles, everything it is integrated with IoT. Then retail shops. Very simple, our Amazon, Flipkart, Big Basket, these kind of examples can be a relative application for this retail shops. So through internet we are just ordering and we are providing our address for the delivery, and within the respective time we will be able to receive everything. So that comes under IoT. Farming, which is being underdeveloped. So many of the engineers have started their startups. So they are just creating some of the products for farming purpose only, just to monitor the temperature, to monitor the level of the water, and at the same time to monitor the moisture level. So this kind of integrations, and similarly for spraying with the help of the drone, and at the same time just robots for weedicides. So this kind of functions only it can be applied with the farming, and this all the methods we will be controlling and monitoring with the help of a IoT only, with any of the respective web page or the server within the local host. Wearables, the smartwatch. Smartwatch is one of the highest kind of technology nowadays, most everyone are using. Inside the smartwatch, whatever we are using means, here we will be having that multiple BP, then we will be using the food step calculation, calorie calculation, everything will be uploaded towards the cloud, and we will be able to monitor with the help of mobile phone. So that particular smartwatch will be connected to the Bluetooth with the help of a mobile. But the thing is, all the data are stored inside the cloud. None of the data are stored inside our mobile storage. Then comes on the smart grid. This is also a changing era of power system. So all the power system till now they are controlling with the help of PLC and SCADA, and hereafter all that particular system will be controlled with the help of IoT. Nowadays we are able to pay that particular bills through IoT. So soon all the power monitoring system comes under the smart grid. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.